So we have seen try block, catch block, finally block, throw keyword. Now we're going to see throws keyword. So what is meant by throws? And throws keyword mainly used for declaring an exception. So basically this throws keyword will give an information to the programmer. Okay, this line might throw an exception. Please declare it. So you can declare with the throws keyword. So that means it will occur at a compile time only. That means it's a checked exception you will get. That checked exception, you will declare it. If you declare, and so obviously the issue will be resolved. If you don't declare, and compile time error will be thrown. So that's why to make the smooth flow of your program execution, you can declare it. After declaring, then you can, basically there are a lot of advantages with this throws keyword. Same thing you can achieve with the try catch also. You can handle the exceptions with a try catch block also. But at the same time, you can achieve with the throws keyword also. Then why you need two things? If there is a try catch block is handling, why do you need that? Why do you need again throws keyword? So let's see the answer for that. So you can see the responsibility of throws keyword, how it will help. We already know that we can handle the exceptions using try catch block. The throws does the same thing that try catch does. But there are some cases where you will prefer throws over try catch block. So let's say we have a method, my method. So in your class that has multiple statements that can throw either arithmetic exception or null pointer exception. Any one exception it will throw. So in this case, you can use try catch. Say try catch. One more catch. So there is a multi catch blocks. One try, multiple catch blocks. So how can we reduce this code? Now it is a so many lines of code, right? So many lines of code. The length is increasing. If you use a try catch blocks, the code length is increasing. So like that, you have multiple methods. Multiple methods you have. Then what will happen? Obviously, the file size also will increase. The number of lines will increase. It doesn't look good, right? The readability will go away. So in order to avoid that, so we are using to reduce the size of your method length, you can reduce, and also to make more readable. So you have to use throws keyword. So throws keyword, if you use just one line, and you will write here throws keyword in the method name after this line, method signature line, throws, and you will declare that exception class name. You will declare that exception class name, basically. So that is this throws keyword. That's why people will prefer throws keyword. So to solve that, you can see that. So just declare throws, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception. Here itself you can declare. You don't need to write in the method body. Again, try catch blocks and lengthy code, you can avoid that. So that's the advantage with this throws keyword. See, throws keyword where you are using in the method signature line. Throws is followed by a class name, exception class name. So exception class name, but throw we have seen already. It's an object. It is followed by an object. So I have given clear instructions for that. And again, you call this method If you want, you can declare here, or you can again declare here throws declaration. You can do a throws declaration here also. If you don't want lengthy thing, you can declare with the throws keyword. So this is how you can declare the exception. Either you need to use a try catch block or use throws keyword. So these are the examples you can see here. So void my method int num throws IO exception, comma class not found exception. See, with the throws, you can declare multiple exception classes. Basically, multiple exceptions means how many you want, you can declare. So there is no restriction here. You have to use one, you have to use two, not like that. So if number one equal to one, throw new IO exception. See, throw keyword also I'm using here. Throw is different, throws is different. Please understand. Throw is used to throw your custom message for particular exception class. Throws is used to declare your exceptions. Throw is used within the method body. Throws is used in the method signature line. Throw is followed by an object. Throws is followed by an exception class. That's the differences of throw and throws keyword. By programmatically, I'm showing here itself. If you remember this program also, you can answer easily. You can derive the statements. If you remember all these things. The placement to one difference. After the keyword, what is the entity you are using? Here you are using class, but throw you are using object. So it is placed inside the method. Throws is placed on the method signature line. So you're getting another difference by seeing the program itself. So this is all about throws keyword. So the difference I just now I covered. Throw is used to explicitly throw an exception. And throws keyword is used to declare an exception. Second point, synced exception cannot be propagated using throw. That means only unsynced exceptions you can throw with the throw keyword. So with the throws keyword, synced exceptions can be propagated. Propagated means you can move to the next line. The cursor will move to the next line with a throws keyword. If you handle it, will go to the next line, right? Obviously. Throw is followed by an instance. What is meant by instance? An object. Throws is followed by class. Throw is used within the method. Throws is used with the method signature. You cannot throw multiple exceptions with the throw keyword. You can declare multiple exceptions with the throws keyword. Okay, so that's the difference between throw and throws keyword. So another important interview question: what is the difference between final, finally, and finalize? So final is a keyword which can be applied for class, method, and variable. If you declare a class as a final, that class cannot be inherited. If you declare a method as a final, you cannot override that method. If you declare variable as a final, the variable value cannot be changed once it is assigned. Final is a keyword. Finally is a block which is used to execute your code always. It's a very important code you can place inside the finally block and you can execute that code. Obviously, every time when the exception occurs or not, both cases, the finally block code will execute. Finally is a block. Finalize is a method in the object class. Finalize is used to perform cleanup processing just before object is garbage collected. Okay, so that's all the difference between finally, and finalize. So that's the theory part. So let's move on to